finally. If you say so. I'm just kidding. Too wild. That's like a perfect range for focus, eh? Focus is out back, but if I come closer, it won't focus for some reason. That's the sensor, maybe. Yeah. That's how it moves. Let's hit it. Like this in Manitoba so far. Like, look at this! Look at that! Trust me, it's way better in person. I think you should stop by sometime. Like, look at this. Falls are right there. This is a second footbridge. Drove for like 4.5 hours or something like that and got to Steep Rock. I'm the only one driving, so we had to stop, and I'm gonna cook some more burgers some food, and then head back to Winnipeg. Yeah, it's getting cloudy, otherwise we would have taken our canoe in Steep Rock as well, but it's cloudy and windy, and I don't think it's going to be a good idea to do that. So worth a try. Warm this up first so it actually works. Should be good. In there, bring out the big old frying pan. Burgers. That's how you know that you are a chef. I know. I can feel the wind over here with my fucking thing barely working.
Yeah, it's fucked over there. I think they got a good amount of rain.
It's pretty wet down here, yeah. I don't even know what to do. Maybe we'll do.
Thank you.